Hey everyone, it's Marlena Burton with Marlena's 10K Travel Buddy Project. Guys, really quickly, I just said yes when I had the idea for the 10K Travel Buddy Project, and the pieces have just come together beautifully. And I've had two companies that have restructured, one to a $20 system and one to a $10 a month system. So that is a blessing. I am so grateful. So here's our $10 a month system. Just take a look at this information. Just go watch the video. Say yes, trust the process, and keep choosing God's best. Guys, it's that simple. All right. So I want you to go to nexussnap.com. Say yes now. Watch that video. Get off to a fast start. Just say yes. You don't have to overthink a $10 a month decision. Bring 2 to 5 fun people with you your first 24 hours and never quit. All right. So our team is building multiple income streams. You can see all of my streams at automaticbuilder.com. Say yes now. Guys, I have no idea what you're going to do with this system. If you do anything with it or not, that's completely up to you. There are no health savings or income guarantees. All results vary. And thank you so much for your time. Even if you don't join us in business, you can get 3 free apps and start earning cash back today. So we're going to work from anywhere on our phone, as you can see. Over 150 countries just for a $10 a month business. So watch the video at nexussnap.com/say yes now. Go ahead and say yes. Just trust the process. Keep choosing God's best. Guys, let's all be free. Let's all travel and go on vacation. Enjoy life now. Like I said, bring 2 to 5 people with you to get off to a fast start. Everybody's got $10. Perfect system. And as you can see here, you can get up to 75 off on hotel and travel. This is not the only travel system that we have. So just say yes. Come join multiple income streams with us, and you'll be glad you did. Thank you, thank you, thank you. My number 618-223-6006. Have a wonderful day. God's best.